What up? Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we're going to be switching out the rear light on the 2020 Lowrider S for this Moons MC light right here. This thing is super sick. I originally wanted to keep this light, but after a while and looking at it, I feel like it just sticks out too much. I think it is a beautiful design. I like the way they smoked everything out and they integrated the LED lights in there as well, which is great. Not complaining about that with Harley Davidson, but it just sticks out like a sore thumb. So I decided to switch it out for the Moons MC light right here. We got some goodies in the box as well, mostly stickers, and we got a keychain here. So we got the keychain right here. This is pretty cool. Probably be using this for the diner. We got some cool stickers here. We got an FXR right there. This one's pretty cool on red. And then we got this one as well. Pretty nice stickers. And last but not least, we got the light. We got the all smoked LED rear light right here. Once I take the other one off, I'm gonna show you guys the big difference, the huge difference between this one and the stock light. So for those of you like myself who have a Softail, you will have to get a harness for this bike. That's if you're gonna be eliminating the rear turn signals, which I am gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it right now. That's why I didn't get the harness, but I should have, because now I gotta order it. So with that harness, you're gonna be able to connect the wires that go to the turn signals right here onto this light, because this one does come with integrated turn signals. But for now, it's just gonna act as a brake light, which is totally fine. I mainly want it just for the look, so that's why we're gonna get rid of this one. And later on, I'll be getting rid of these turn signals the same way I'm gonna do with the Dyna. So this right here is a very simple install. All we're gonna do is just unscrew these two screws from the back, and that's it. It should just be a simple plug and play. Same way we installed the custom dynamics light on the Lowrider S. Not on the Lowrider S, on the 2015 Dyna Lowrider. Alright, so that should come off very easily, just like that. So now we're just gonna press down on the clip and this should pop right out just like that. So just to give you guys a side-by-side comparison to see what I'm talking about. Obviously this one, you got the dark smoke. This one is like a light smoke. Side profile, as you can see, huge difference. The stock light here is much more thicker. So as you can see here in back of the light, you're gonna have your main switch, your main connector, which you're gonna connect right now. These are gonna be for the turn signal. So once I get the harness that I was talking about, then I can connect these to the original link of the bike. But for now, we're just gonna plug this one in and see how she works. This is such a nice little easy mod that anybody could do. Definitely gonna clean up the whole look of your bike in the back. The smoked out light always looks really nice. Alright, let's just wipe her down first because we got some little grease on there. And now we can see what she looks like on. Nice. Alright guys, so there you have it. Nice little easy install that anybody can do in the garage within like 5 minutes or so. Huge difference, like I was mentioning before, the stock light to the Moons MC. I am now running the rear Moons MC light, and I also got the headlamp as well on the 2020 Lowrider S. Also after the video, I'm just going to put both bikes together side by side just to give you guys a nice little look what this one looks like compared to the custom dynamics light on the 2015 Dyna Lowrider right there. Guys, don't forget, I do have the merch still available, so we got the Dirty Jersey hoodie on here. If you guys want to support the channel anyway, cop your merch down below. Get a t-shirt, sweatshirt, a mug, a sticker, whatever it is, anything to help out will go a long way. If this is the type of content you're into, you're definitely in the right place. I got a few little more install videos coming up this week. We still got to add the light bar to the Dyna in the front, and also the chrome Thrasher Supply 6-inch risers that I ordered for the bike as well. So 2 cool install videos on your way this week, as well as a topic video with my main man Jerry. He's coming over here this week and we're going to be filming on a special little topic. And then another video over the weekend. So tune in for 4 videos coming in this week, guys. They're coming in hot, 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 hot. That's gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell button so it'll notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace. We got the Moons MC on the 2020 Lowrider S, and we have the Custom Dynamics on the 2015 Dyna. Pick your poison. Which one do you like? They're both pretty nice.